Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I am an Abdul Aziz. I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Darul Uloom, Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. Presently, I am pursuing personality development workshop and diploma in computer, where I learn spoken English and computer. And a very pleasant evening to all present over here, and to special to my concerned team. So my name is Abdul Aziz, and today we all have gathered here to discuss about debate. Debate on mobile should be allowed in school or madaris or not. So I and my team in the favor of mobile should be allowed. Here I have some points. Let me tell you. I believe that cell phone should not be banned in schools for some reasons. The first being that cell phones in itself a very useful material for taking notes. When you miss out on class, you need to record stuff. You can share it with your other classmate who were other in their other activity, maybe playing football or for school or whenever whatever else. If the students has a mobile phone, he can note down he can record the valuable words of his teacher. Secondly, in the case of very particular serious situation, like when you have an emergency, suppose if students get stuck in very particular serious situation, like in accident, in kidnapping, you getting back home and you have a travel for the school is really far from your home. You need to be contact with someone, maybe your parents or anyone for that matter. So then cell phones are really useful at that time. That's something you can't without mobile phone. What will students, if the students get stuck in very particular serious situation like in accident, in kidnapping, how will students will tell about their parents, about their accident to parents? Is it possible without a mobile phone?
So, my brother, first thing is that uh, accident and this is problem in out of madrasa, in out of institute, and uh, mobile should be allowed in madrasa. We're talking about should be allowed madrasa and institute, and this accident and this is all out of the madrasa. This is not if in madrasa. They out when they go out madrasa. Then you give mobile for them. Okay.
First of all, I want to clear that some students come from home, and on that time mobile phone is compulsory for that student. Suppose if student get stuck in serious situation and no anyone available on that time, what will get help from them? Okay.
Yes, you right. You when you come from home, you take with mobile and come home, come madrasa and institute, and give mobile for in office. And when you return from madrasa, then you give mobile and you go home. This is about only should ban on institute and madrasa. Okay.
Yes, my first point, my mobile is playing an important role in this modern world. It is very hard to see person without a mobile. Even a little kid has ability to access mobile phone without any problem. With the mobile, students connect to the world, and students easily develop their skills. If students are not given mobiles, can students develop their potential, develop their ability, develop their skills? How is the possible without mobile phone? How can student connect to the world without mobile?
Yes, your question, wonderful question. First of all, my name is Mutiur Rahman, and I'm favoring that mobile shouldn't allowed in the madrasa or any other institute. I have some points, some reasons. That is, first of all, I want to highlight the 3 points that you can't reject these points. My first question for you, that why the students come here, means why they come here, why they are here, and why the parents admit his children in the madrasa or in school or any other institute, why the students leave his house, why they suffering here. Yes, answer me. Okay, for study, definitely for study. Okay, then they needs books, notebooks. So already they have books, notebooks, they have libraries, they have teachers, and they have pen, pencil, and all others. Now let them study. When they have all things, why you want to give them mobile? While they have all things, they don't need the mobile. Why are you disturbance in their study? My second question, note down it. My second question is to second question to you. That is, why the teachers mindfulness the students? Why the teachers make exert them in the English language or Arabic language in the madrasa or in the school? Science, math, art, history, geography, biology, physics, and all others. Now tell me why the teachers teach these subjects. Answer me now immediately. After first my complete, let me complete my argument. Note that all my questions, so that they could become a master. They become a scientist, a master in math, in the art. They can become a lawyer easily, IPS, IAS, and they can get any other course, as well as they can become a doctor. If doctor did not study with properly, they can harm the whole nation. Can you imagine? Who will be responsible? Yes, who will be responsible? I'm saying you that the school time or madrasa time, it is very, it is a golden period for them. If you want to give them mobile, so when they completed their study, when they completed their 12th, so you can give them mobile, 10 to 20,000, 100 mobile you can give them. I don't care about it, but this time, a very important time for them. Let them study and let them become a scientist, engineer, doctor, lawyer, master English language, Arabic language, math, history. When the history, most important things, geography, biology, and all others. And in the madrasa, hadith, tafsir, nahu, mufassir, muhaddis. Now let them become a muhaddis. And they have a time. Now they have time. Why are you spoiling their time? Their future, even their money. Money is the most important thing in this world. Even their parents collect the money for student, their children, their babies. Can you reject this point? Do you want to spoil their future, their time? Yes, answer me. Let me my second question. My second point, you that now come on the real one. That is the real. That is concentration. Do you know concentration? What is the meaning of concentration? Okay, they have books, notebooks. Now the students need to study these books. So students have to concentrate their study. If you give them mobile, they will fully disturbed. Then they can't concentrate their study. Do you understand this point? Then they can't study. For example, when you drive a car, for example, when you drive a car or bike, do you concentrate any other things like looking the passengers who with you in the car, or looking the fruits that you are driving and along with eating? Do you do this? If you do it, maybe you can lose their life. It's you. May Allah protect us. In this way, the doctors, if they don't concentrate their patient who came to doctor, so maybe doctor give him another medicine for that reason. Maybe that medicine reaction is body and died. Who will be responsible? So doctors have to concentrate in this way, in this manner. The cooks, if they don't concentrate their dish, so maybe they mix too much salt. So for that reason, food will be spoiled. In this manner, the carpenters, they don't concentrate their work, so maybe they commit mistakes in that work, and they can't regenerate that. So it is very harmful for that person. Why I'm giving these examples. Try to understand why I'm.
First of all, you are saying so many things. I want to clear that mobile phone should be allowed school and madaris. It is provide organizational flexibility and convenience. For example, homework and classwork can be arranged in a systematic way, and it is a organized way. Mobile, it will reduce heavy burden of books and registers from the students and bags on all the supplementary learning materials. I'm not rejecting book and copy, but I'm telling you like this. What about you are saying the discipline distract? Okay, I don't think discipline will affect it because the students are in school only 4 to 6 hours, and they will hardly get to time to use it. And third point my is, when a person 15 or 16, any students 15 or 16, you're talking about growing up and actually finally taking up responsibility, and then you go ahead and no and you say no, you can't even take a cell phone. Where is the freedom? Where you can't, you are not even allowing him to make his own decisions. If you are 15 or 16, there has to be sense of freedom. You have to be ability. Students have to be ability to actually make decisions. Everything the rest of your life. Once you go to college, you are like, okay, now you can do whatever you want. You have to radically build that up prior, and this is one of the ways in which you can actually build it up. If you have a facility, use it. There is to make it better. Use it for your better life. Use it for your future. Use it your freedom, for your freedom. But use it in correct way, in a systematic way. Instead of imparting the banning things, impact the education of how to use it in a regulated manner. That's what I feel, and that's what I believe. Providing an additional tools for mobile is a tool for learning. When students are able to use their phones in class, they have all access. Suppose students want to search any word, and there is so many dictionary in front of them. Students is take time too much to search there. If the students have mobile phone on that, and in mobile phone dictionary, Oxford Learner Dictionary, you can only search only one thing, and you get the uncountable meaning. These can especially beneficial in classroom. When students have access to technology and social media, and have access to empowerment and leadership online, can students use their technology, social media without a mobile phone? As an educator, we need to empower our students. We need to use technology for a good purpose, for a future of students can use their cell phones to conduct research and job. As an educator, to prepare our students for the future, I think we can all agree that technology is going up to play a huge role in that. India is leading a digital country, digital literacy, and that technology can help prepare them for a future career. During instruction, students
On another point, digital skills development. Digital skills development for mobiles very beneficial for students. Using mobile phone in students, using mobile phones in education help students develop their digital literacy skills, which are crucial in today's technology driven world. They learn to navigate digital tools, access online information critically, and use technology for various educational purpose, how will students learn digital skills if the
Yes, your question, that is mobile is a education tool. Understood. Now listen me carefully. Okay. You say that we can study in the mobile. Oh, really? Let's compare mobile with book.
I'm not
Okay.
rejecting book. Okay.
Really, mobile has changed our mind. That you don't feel the lack of books, and suddenly you say that you can see the mobile dictionary. Okay, they have physically dictionary. A lot of go to the
It takes a
library.
time.
Go
If a
to the
student,
library,
if a
and
student
you
have
can
enough
get
time,
the
how we can
all
get the education?
all other dictionaries by which you can search any other word. Okay, let me complete my argument. Really, book has changed our mind that you don't feel the lack of books. If you talk about selling of mobile, so according to a research that mobile sells 4.4 millions in a one day. If you see books, so these numbers of books take 1 week for sale. That's why we had a lot of uneducated people. Okay, I know that we feel good while we read in the mobile, but tell me honestly that you use mobile for only studying the 24 hours. Only tell me, answer me. Nowadays, mobile is the biggest enemy of study. I say that mobile for entertainment and talking to others, but outside of madrasa and any other institute, maybe mobile provides you some knowledge. But I agree with. But books provide you the whole knowledge, and easily we can concentrate in our study. But why mobile you can't easily concentrate on that particular work or study. That's why you see that mobile have been taken from players in the match volleyball or cricket, from even from the teachers, lecturers in the meeting, so that they could concentrate on that match, on that work, on that meeting. And remember, books can make your life, and mobile can destroy your life, and as well as make your life, but little bit difference. Now it's up to you. You can polish your future, or you can destroy your future. Do you agree my point? Can you reject this?
You say student easily can gain knowledge with Google and another things. So you know that when student gain knowledge with Google and another, then their thinking power is decreased. Okay, this is my answer.
And your question is that if you that reason, your question, what is your question? That you see the whole world in the mobile. Okay, the students don't need the whole world see. Okay, they don't need to see the whole world. These are the students, and they have to study, and they are here for study, not see the world. Okay, if they want to see the whole world, they can purchase the map. Physically map are there, a lot of maps.
This is a current era. In current,
We living in 21st century. We need to empower our students. We need to educate them. I'm not rejecting the books and on and all other things, but I want to say that the meaning of the see whole world. It is whole world means the get the education in instead they get the education.
But
On
you
that.
you 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 have to understand that if they have mobile, they don't concentrate on that work. Do you agree with? If suppose if they have mobile, only okay, they see whole world, and they can gain knowledge a lot of, right? Can you agree with they don't concentrate on their study? Do you agree? They don't concentrate on their study if they have mobile. So student not a lot mobile in the madrasa. Okay.
And when you allow mobile in institute in madrasa, then and then when then search in Google and with AI, lots of things are there. Then they confuse between lots of information available on internet. This is very big issue in when you give mobile when student.
Okay, we allow mobile students due to the current affair. The knowledge, get the knowledge of current affair. Current affair is going on in our country. Just serious matter. Students should have the mobile phone just because current affair. The knowledge of current affair. We live in 21st century. Current affair plays a very important role in our life, in student life. Okay, we must be updated with the passage of time. And so if we imagine this thing, if mobile phones are allowed at school, so we will be updated ourselves, and teachers would also be emphasizing on current affairs, that they will be also teaching, they will be also a kind of class of current affairs in school, or definitely you need to understand a bit more deeply by using it. I would like to say that you are saying the distraction are there in education. Distraction is a and diversion is in our hand. If we can control ourselves.
No, no, no. Your argument
want
fully,
okay.
fully rejected, bro. Unacceptable.
Mobile. Okay. I agree with you. The mobile is a kind of distraction and diversion. This can be the mobile is a kind of distraction also for the student. But why we are saying that allow this distraction in school, so that our teacher and our mentor can be there to keep on eye, to keep on students and on students, so that they can keep on eye on students. That's what purpose they are using mobile phones. It is a limit which has bound every person. If you cross the limit, your boundaries in this world, it is will be it only the limit. If you cross your limit, that means nothing will happen without rules and regulation. Limitation, life, it is nothing. Life is lawless, so you should be not neglect limitation, rules and regulation. Technology can be used as advanced learning tools also. There are so many educational apps also in the schools. If I talk about, so their teacher will say to us, teacher will order that what you have, use it, what you have use, what not you have to use, what are you trying to prove. I certainly don't have anything to prove. My record speak for itself.
So I answer you that teachers can't teachers can't concentrate in a student 5 hours 6 hours, because teachers only said student only one time. And whenever, so you know that whenever you open the YouTube, Google, then first you see fahish videos, fahish things, then
No, you particularly you guide teacher properly guide. Then
no,
not
teachers say only one time, only okay, 2 times, 3 times. The student stay in madrasa 5 hours, 6 hours, and whenever a student open the YouTube, Google, then they see the wrong things. This is a distract of students.
Means you want to say the bad advertisement.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I know the bad advertisement also is available on internet. Okay,
Okay.
if you want to turn off in Google setting, and that on that time you can't even see the bad
So this
advertisement.
thing only you know. The students are no, you don't know. No.
We why are I here? Why I am here to inform there about the mobile, about the setting of mobile. Okay, if we know that. Okay.
question.
if you guide, if you say that teachers guide the students, how many times teachers guide the students? 10,000.
One time is come, he
One time is not one time.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. As you told my brother Muhammad Mutiur Rahman, mobile should be not allowed in the madrasa. I want to ask those students want to study the huge study according to the agriculture and math and science and other subjects. How can they study? Because every book is not available in every place, or not teacher is available in every place. On that time, how can they study? I want to ask.
My answer is there. You say that many pillars of all not all books, they don't they need the mobile to books. Okay, students, I'm saying you, only for students, means 12th, only 12th and alia salsa and alia radia, they don't need the mobile. Only let them study whose books given them, only study them books. These are books. After complete graduation, you can give the mobile 10 to 1000 mobile you can give.
After completing the 12th and 10th and other classes, they will be teacher.
No, it is
Teacher.
As you told, I want to
say, I'm saying, that's why I'm saying they have to concentrate their study so that they become a teacher. When they properly study in their time, so they don't become a teacher. Okay, a good teacher have to concentrate their study on that time. If they move
as you told,
that,
by using mobile is mind change. As you told,
what is it? Oh,
mind.
sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
As you told. Just I want to say,
Yeah.
as you know, do you know the tap is the part of mobile? Do you know? Do you agree? Tap. Yes.
Tab.
By
Oh.
it, you can download the books and other subjects by it.
Yeah.
But should be given the tab for using.
You say that tab given the students. Okay. First question, why you want to give them tabs? For study they have books, physically they have books.
My okay. We allowed mobile due to the camera. Okay, not laughing, bro. The biggest example in front of you all, the projector, the what's I saying? It is a human tendency that we cannot remember each and everything. That's why we are recording the main whole subject. The example in front of you all, why we are recording, we absolutely we are recording for debate videos such as
It is
speeches and
responsibility for the teachers, not you, bro.
This
If
is
the
mobile is not of student. This is teacher mobile.
Teachers
Okay?
mobile.
okay.
In school.
If students want to create own video by sending the message to humankind, also on that time students have the ability to search the message to humankind.
You can purchase. You can purchase camera. Okay.
Camera, the company provide us camera touch with mobile. This is a record. This is a my absolutely.
Listen. Students don't need the camera. First thing, students don't need the camera. They have only study. That's why where they are here. They are here for only study, not camera, not video recording. It is the work for teacher, not the students. Why are you trying? No, don't try my
This is
argument.
one of the Gurgaon school, Devyanka Vidyalaya.
Yeah.
There is a study with projector. On that time, this is a proof. On the time, students, students have should have the tablet with their. I want to clear that if suppose teacher guiding teacher guiding about agriculture and show that picture, so if students have a mobile phone, they easily take the picture and revise their homework in your hostel, in your maybe in home. That's why I want to say mobile is a compulsory for us.
My
If a student sick, but he wants to seek bima sick, but he wants to study, how can possible without mobile?
They have
One-
mom mobile, then can use with mom mobile, mother
but
and
use
father mobile.
he is used.
Huh?
If the
Yes. This-
mother is not,
Huh?
if the mother is died,
Brother,
if the
No.
only
Sister.
only if the student
Padosi,
available-
sorry.
What you do in
alone in available in
no, this is you can possible. Everyone have mobile. You can what say, bro? You know point.
imagine the corona period. we
What you do?
we are suffering, the students
I see
okay.
you. They have mother mobile, father
Okay.
mobile, brother mobile.
If parents, if
Only video call, only use. Yes. No, in institute, they're about talking. We are talking about institute. We are talking about institute Madaris, not talking about home. Okay.
I want to say that corona period, on that time
Yes.
students
Only you
try to understand. It is not all. It is allowed the home, not madrasa. Madrasa shouldn't allow. Home you can allow. You can.
all schools
Hello. Home student.